Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I am sharing a technique that even the pro woodworkers missed. I came up with it myself. This is still not perfect, mainly because I did not cut the lines accurately. They are not as sharp as I would like. I can address that the next time I do them. For the joint I am using this piece of scrap wood. It's not perfect, but it's usable. First I need to cut this into 2 pieces. To do that I need to first mark it out. That's kind of obvious. Now let's cut it out. Next I would have to get rid of the parts that I can't use. I would have to plane them off. Yeah, this will take a while. This has to be square for the next step. All of this could have been avoided if I used square pieces to begin with. But I decided not to waste this price. Call me stingy, whatever, it's an expensive hobby, so I try to make the most of the materials that I can. Yeah, I still need to do this one. One good thing for me is that I don't have to measure anything this time. I can just use the other piece. Next, I don't need to do any calculations. I can just use the material for the markings. This is my way of doing dovetails. Measure 5 mm from both sides. These lines that I am drawing are only for visual purposes. Next, find the center point. Next, measure about 2 mm on either side of the line. Next, if you have a dovetail jig like this one, then use it. I have a short video on how I make this. Now last, cut out the tail of the dovetail, then I can use it for the dove. You are like me, you don't have a coping saw. You can do it this way. It takes a bit more work, but it's not that much work either. It's good enough. You won't see this by the time I am finished with it. This just needs a bit more planing. New last, glue it up. After setting overnight, the glue has cured. Now then, let's do a bit of cleaning. Now let's fix the imperfections. Let's draw 1mm lines as I am doing. Next, cut out the materials that is inside of those lines. You need some patience and precision if you want to do this. Using a carving knife makes it a lot easier to do so. The ones that I am using are relatively cheap. I got them on Temu for around $3. For the price, these are okay. But there are better ones. So if you are going to buy them, then I would recommend that you get the better ones, because you would need to shop in these a lot. Once you have dug the trench, you can fill it with some sawdust. I am using some dark walnut, but you can use anything you like. Using some super glue, look it in place. Continue to fill in all of the gaps, or trenches should I say. Using sandpaper and glue, continue to fill in the cracks and crevices until it's smooth. Use finer sawdust and sandpaper as needed. My lines don't look like the best, reason being I didn't cut them as accurately as I could have. But you can get the gist of it. Still, these look a lot better than they did before.